How to create account in Zangi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply create an account. First of all, open the application. So this register form will pop up automatically. Now tap on this tick button here on the bottom and simply tap on register. So it will make you to fill up these forms. Now enter the details that you want to fill up. Now tap on continue. Here you must enter a password. So you can enter a strong password and you can easily tap on continue on the bottom. So it will take some time. Now as you can see, this creates your unique number. So this is the number that Zangi creates. Now tap on continue. So from this number you can contact or add other friends. So this is a type of personal number that Zangi provides you. This is the only application it does to secure your calls and messages. Now you can start chatting and add friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.